Hi, my name's Ned, and welcome to Smithcast. Hi, in this build, we're going to make a stand for this guy. It'll move around the workshop, so it'll have wheels. I want all the drill bits to be within the stand and on this. I also want to make it out of everything that I have here, the bits of scrap, all that kind of stuff. We're just going to make it out of the things that we have. So, and the reason for that is because I'm mean. No, the reason is I just want it made. There's channel and things I think I would need for it, but we're just going to make it up as we go along. So let's get that made, get it on, see how we go.
I found this box section, 40 by 40. Yep, that was just perfect, but I just had little short cuttings, so what we done was we put those together. This is a bit laborious, but didn't want to see that. So those are 4 legs. So we're going to kick off there, get this buffed off, cleaned up, get the paint off it, and cut the size. Yep. Okay, when it comes to the corners, I'm making up a little tray to hold in the base. So I kind of hold it off a little there, come back just a bit, make sure we're kind of roughly square, and take that out there and along the, so we take out this piece here. And we keep that, take that bevel away as well, so we slice down this way. Just got this tacked up. This is a little tray, I'll hold it. We'll put some steel inside this. We'll put the 4 legs on the outside, give a bit more stability. So, let's see if this fits. Just like this, with a little bit of room. Nice. That'll do nicely. Yep. So, get the legs on. Okay. We've got this little stand together. These are the weights that go on the bottom. They're lockable. Just going to make 4 plates. Bolt these on, so I can take them off whenever I can. The rest of this, we're not really sure. I was thinking of making drawers that pull out, but when I'm working, I kind of like to put my hands straight on the thing, you know, and see it, and I wouldn't be looking through drawers. So I was thinking maybe some wood put out with the drills marked so I know they are, and then maybe along here a couple of troughs that when I'm working I can actually throw the drills into, and the keys, the chuck key and things, sort of along here. Something like that might be better for me. Anywho, that's so much. I think I've got a plan. So we'll keep going. We'll put the wheels on. We know we need those, so we'll get those on. We'll get a piece of thicker steel in here so we can bolt through here. Yeah, we'll go from there. So let's get the little plates cut and get that on. Get the wheels on at least.
think I want it to run out this way and out this way, so we'll take a couple of runners here. 35 mil, 35 mil. So we need, say, 8. It's 825 mil. This block, so it's quite handy to use it to come off the top. 25, 25. This will be the first shelf. This is square. Yeah. And then what I was thinking was the wood goes between maybe a piece of flat bar like this, then the wood will just slide up and down inside here. Got the metal work to this stage. Got some little tabs on here. We're just going to put on 2 wooden kind of troughs, this each side of the drill, so I can put drill bits that I'm using, chuck keys, what have you, in there. We've got the wood for sliding in and out. Well, we have to go and get that cut, get these made up. So in the meantime, I'll just give this a clean. Buff off, get rid of the sharp edges, all that kind of stuff. Take off the wheels, give it a coat of paint, wheels on permanently. Yeah, and we'll fit the wood, then fit the drill, and then get to work. What I've done was I'm just drilling out this board, and then I'm going to put this board on the back to back it up. So we're just drilling right through. These larger drills are on 13 mil shanks, so they go in like that, up to about 13. So what I'm thinking is that I kind of double up the numbers. We get to about 13, maybe double the 13, and then we kind of double up 12, the 11.5, the 11s. So if one breaks or one's not really cutting well, I can just change out there and then. Okay, so far you've seen that I got the wooden bits ready there. So we've got those drilled right through. We've covered off the backs. So they'll go in there, and they can go one side on the other side. This one, I'm not sure yet what to put on this. We're just going to leave it blank, or maybe it becomes a shelf, or yeah, not sure. But we've also got that further one on down there. So, big design flaw. This is always happens when you're designing on the hoof. No drawings, just going with the bits and pieces you have. I made these little troughs. I'll turn it around this way. So drills here. I made those little troughs there to kind of go either side. Just counterbalance that. Oh, just counterbalance this to show you what the big design flaw is. So just saw it right away. Is that whenever I put this out, I'm working on the drill. I can't see those. It gets very awkward to look at them and see them. So what I'm going to do is get rid of those, keep this, and we'll maybe go with some of this. And we're going to put that here. It's kind of a mesh that I have. It has got paint on it, so that will be a delight to weld. So that goes there, or maybe in there. I think that's light enough, and then maybe some flat bar around it. One there, one there. I think that's enough. Yeah, and it's held back enough so I can actually pull that out and see the whole array of drills that I've got. So yeah, we're going to go with that. Yeah. Well, I got it pretty clean. Got rid of all a bit of a mess, but we got rid of all the paint. trolley all painted. You've seen that I got the plastic paint finish off all of this, and keeping with the whole ethos of the piece, it's all scrap. We're using little bits of scrap of angle as well. Get these made up, get them painted, and get them on. Yep, so that's next. Let's get these together. I think that'll just finish that off. Be a good working space for drilling and putting things on. Not too much space, because I would fill that space. How you doing? That's us. We have the piece finished. I just need to bolt this down, this piece, the drill itself, onto the stand. Haven't done that yet. Haven't finished filling the drill bits. You can see them there. They just slide out both ways. Still got to get those in, get those marked. Little box for hole saws or whatever underneath here. Yep, and it doesn't seem too top heavy. When we lock her up, I've used it already. We've got some coolant here, but I was thinking the bottom shelf, we could have a little box with a lid on it. We could put a reservoir in there, pump up here, pump right to the little tube, pump onto the drilling bits. It's good for those thicker bits, those thicker bits of steel when you're drilling them. What else? Yeah, but and then a little tray underneath here to return it to the reservoir. But that's for later on. So far, so good. Really enjoyed it. Like all these things, tweaks, I'm sure there'll be tweaks. And I'm dumping stuff in here already in the little troughs as I go. But overall, I think it's been great. I think it's a great build. It's independent, moves around the workshop where we need to drill. I'm quite pleased with that. Yeah. So if you like what you've seen, if you could subscribe or give us a thumbs up, or even both, even better. So until the next one, keep it lit.